Friends, hello! In this video, I want to inform you what to fertilize early cabbage with and provide the necessary nutrients right now, at this very moment, so that it starts forming a tight head much faster and grows very large, indeed reaching its maximum possible varietal size. At this particular stage of growth, when the cabbage already has around 6 or 8 true leaves, you really need to start fertilizing it, ensuring that it gets all the necessary nutrients. As you can see, my cabbage is already in this phase. I will start fertilizing it now. But I want to tell you, I recently posted a video on my channel where I talked about how I dealt with whitefly. As you can see, the whitefly is indeed gone. The leaves are completely clean and there are no traces of whitefly at all. If you can't overcome it, be sure to watch this video. It's located in the top right corner. There is detailed information and you will easily manage it. Well, first of all, for the cabbage to grow well, it needs nitrogen right now so that its leaves become larger, and with them, the cabbage head grows big. Therefore, I will use nitrogen fertilizer made from cow manure. For this, you need to take a container, fill 1/3 of it with fresh cow manure, and fill the remaining 2/3 with clean water. Let it steep for 7 days, and then, when the infusion is ready, mix it again and add it to 10 liters of water. However, nitrogen alone will not help the cabbage. It also needs phosphorus and potassium, as well as a growth stimulator. All of this is found in humate potassium. Humate potassium contains fulvic and humic acids, as well as macro and micro elements, and most importantly, it includes succinic acid. It essentially acts as a highly effective growth stimulator. The faster the root system develops, the larger and tighter the overall cabbage head will ultimately be. I add 35 milliliters of liquid humate potassium to 10 liters of water, as indicated in the manufacturer's instructions. Also, follow the instructions and use them precisely. Mix everything together and go fertilizing the cabbage. Be sure to fertilize your cabbage to increase its yield. Also, promptly eliminate pests so they don't destroy your crop. And if you found the information in this video useful, be sure to give it a like, don't forget to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.